In this video, we're going to draw a word cloud in R. We're going to use a package called quanteda because it offers an entire ecosystem for text analysis in R, so you can move beyond word clouds without having to start from zero again. First thing is installing the package. We can use install.packages and quanteda in brackets. Like with all packages, this is something we do just once. Quanteda has divided its functions into different packages, so in this case we also need to install quanteda.textplots. To easily open text documents, we also install the package readText. At the beginning of each code, where we want to use the packages, we use library readtext, library quanteda, and library quanteda.textplots. That's R sorted. To draw a word cloud, we need a document with text in it. An easy way is to copy your text into a text document, like Notepad++ on Windows or TextEdit on Macs. These editors use text without formatting, which makes the text more accessible to the machine. Here I have copied the text of 2 Wikipedia articles related to a number into a text document. Quanteda can also handle Word documents, PDF or spreadsheets with the text included. Let's start with opening a text document in R. We can use readText with the name of the text document in quotes. If you use RStudio, the document appears on the top right here. Before we can do useful stuff in quanteda, we'll have to do a few preparations. This is something called preprocessing, and we typically do a lot when working with text in R. We start by turning this document into a corpus. A corpus is a collection of text so that the computer can easily work with it. Next, we create tokens, that is the text divided into individual words. We do a bit of cleaning at the same time. Remove punctuation like full stops, brackets or commas. We also remove symbols like mathematical operators or currency symbols. And we remove numbers. These are common ways to make sure we only have words left. To construct a word cloud, we use a DFM, a document frequency matrix. That's a long table of how many times each token occurs in the document. The argument to lower converts all characters into lowercase. So it doesn't matter if a word appears at the beginning of a sentence or in the middle of it. The last preparation we use is stopwords. Stopwords are very common words that do not carry meaning on their own, like and, or because, telling us that the most common words in a Wikipedia article are the, in, of, and to. Doesn't tell us anything interesting. The exact preprocessing and particularly stemming depend a bit on your text analysis. For a word cloud, we simply use textplot _ word cloud with a DFM object in brackets. We can modify this a bit to our liking, like changing the color or choosing the number of words to show. One thing you notice is that every time you draw a word cloud in quanteda, the words are arranged slightly differently. This is because the algorithm has an element of random choice. What I do in this case is to use setSeed with a quasi-random number I just make up. With this, the random number generator used in R always produces the same number, and the plot comes out the same way every time. Now I just have to play around with seed until I find a plot I like.